Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 five-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
Another spring-like day today, double digits across the region. We will find that cloud increase tonight, rainy and windy conditions tomorrow. And through the evening, Saturday night, as temperatures start to slip, we could see mixed precipitation. That probability continuing through your Sunday as temperatures are a little lower thanks to this not one but two lows moving through. It will clear up on Monday, though. For some of us, that probability of precipitation might linger in the morning Monday. So 40 to 60% chance of flurries, but it will get clearing through the day and lots of sunshine Tuesday as we see the milder conditions return. It may drop a little as we face this double low, but right back on the rebound again, back into the spring-like conditions, well above normal, even when those temperatures slip. We are still above the seasonal average. In Kingston, we should be hitting a 3 now. It's gone up a notch. We got 12 today. And we broke another record. Yes, 11.1 was the record high on this day back in '73, and 10.3 was the previous record in Peterborough. They managed to get 13 degrees today. The only two on our map that actually broke records. But everybody was well above normal. Double digits for most of us, some of us near double digits, 9 Celsius in northeast corner between Smiths Falls and Ottawa. 8 degrees is where we're sitting now. Northeast winds at about 19 kilometers per hour. And yeah, we're already starting to see that cloud increasing. No precipitation today, a few more minutes of daylight too, and we are looking at some wet weather. It may not get started until the early morning hours, though, just that cloud increasing through the overnight. But there's a couple lows. The first one, the real soaker, moving through in the morning. And areas to the north, there's some wet snow associated with this throughout central and northern Quebec, parts of northwestern Ontario. There is a secondary low, though, that's pushing through, and this is likely to bring sort of continue that precipitation through your Sunday. But there's a lot of cool air backing the system. Because of that, you're looking at a pretty good chance of flurries. And for those areas where the precipitation starts a little later, Brockville, Smiths Falls, and farther east, it cools sooner for you, and you may actually get maybe 5 centimeters or more of snow. So there's that increasing cloud, and early morning we see the rain getting, you see there's some heavier stuff associated with that. So yeah, it could be heavy at times. For some of us, we could, you know, get up to 40 millimeters of rain. If you get caught in one of those intense pockets of heavy downpour, maybe a little more than that. So those areas that are prone to flood this time of year, yeah, there's that potential for it. Special weather advisories have been issued. So as we roll into Sunday morning, the cooler air moves in behind this, and we start to see that transition to the snow. There's the wraparound Sunday as we get into a trough on the back end of the system, bringing in periods of snow. Yeah, we could see a couple centimeters in the Belleville-Kingston area, maybe 2 to 4 centimeters. As you look farther east, could be up to 5 centimeters or more. So yes, there's your weather advisories and statements all across the region, and yeah, up around North Bay, they're actually getting rainfall warnings. They could see all kinds of rain, a lot more than we're going to be getting. So 20 to 30 millimeters in Belleville through the day tomorrow. Southeasterly winds gusting up to about 50 as well. So yeah, not just rainy, windy too. That could transition to a mix by the overnight. Sunday, it's a high of 3, windy conditions as well as it's a northwesterly wind, bringing temperatures down. We could see the mix continue. Monday, it's mainly sunny, though, and back up to a high of 7 degrees. Brockville, high of 8 tomorrow. You've got rain at 20 to 30 millimeters and southeast winds at moderate 20 to 40 Sunday, it's a high 4, and yeah, you could see 2 to 4 centimeters of snow. There will be some showers mixed in with this, but you're going to be a little cooler. Those temperatures dropping, and the precipitation is going to continue a little longer through the evening with those lower temperatures. So yeah, you're looking at the probability of snow more so than the Belleville-Kingston area. So yeah, 2 to 4 centimeters isn't out of the question. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud and a high of 4, and still hanging on to about a 60% probability of flurries in the morning, but by noon you should have that out of the way. Enjoy a mix of sun and cloud for the balance of your your day. Smiths Falls rising to 9 tomorrow with periods of rain. It may start off as a chance of showers through the morning, but through the early afternoon it starts to pick up. You could get 20 to 30 millimeters of rain, transitioning to a mix overnight. Come Sunday, it could turn to snow as temperatures fall and continue that snow through the evening. So 5 centimeters is possible. Monday rising to 3, a chance of flurries in the morning, and then a mix of sun and cloud through the afternoon. Kingston, your forecast rising to 6 Celsius with rain tomorrow. 20 or 30 to 40 millimeters is possible, maybe even more if you get caught in some of those heavy downpours. Up to 4 degrees on Sunday. Daylight saving time begins too, so Saturday night when you hit the sack, set those clocks ahead 1 hour. Spring ahead an hour for daylight saving time. Looks like the flurries could be mixed with showers on Sunday, maybe a couple centimeters. Windy conditions too. Monday it's a high 6, mix of sun and cloud, rising to 7 on Tuesday and sunny, and highs of 9 over Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as the chance of showers returns. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Keith Clark of Kingston sends this in. He's got a few pictures here of a coyote that he managed to spot on yesterday morning's walk through Lemoyne Point. Love this shot here. Nice close-up, right? He's eyeing you up, Keith. Is that a camera or a gun? What are you doing? Yeah. And this is the eastern coyote, a lot larger and shaggier than its southern cousin, the western or southern coyote. They also refer to this as the coy wolf or the tweed brush wolf, the southern tweed wolf. It just means that this is a hybrid. This coyote is actually part wolf and dog. If you want to, if you checked its DNA, that's what you'd find mixed in there. Thanks a lot to Keith for those photos. If you've got photos to share with us, please send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Oh, he's glancing over your shoulder, too. So another example of dueling seasons this weekend, Bill, with the rain and then the snow, I guess, after on Sunday, right?
Yeah, it's going to be a drop in temperature, and we see that transition again, but nothing's going to stick. Those temperatures bounce back up again, and you'll see that they rise even higher in your 10-day outlook.
Okay, yeah, we'll look for that definitely. Thank you, Bill. A wet kickoff to March break week, Bill.
Yes, very wet. Not getting much done outside over the weekend. Looks like that wet weather will continue through most of your day Saturday. Sunday, it could end up. Are we going to a single shot here? Or, there we go. Sunday, it looks like as we roll into daylight savings time, we start to see things cool down. We could see the showers mixed with flurries. Some of us might actually get some accumulation, a couple centimeters possible in Belleville, Kingston, maybe 2 to 4 in Brockville, and could be up to 5 centimeters through Smiths Falls as the flurries continue through the evening. But it won't stick. Rising to 6 on Monday, and that chance of flurries ending in the morning, and then we're looking at a mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon. Tuesday, a high 7, lots of sunshine. There's temperatures climbing again as high as 11 by Thursday. The chance of showers returning over Friday and Saturday at about 30 to 40% probability. Temperatures slipping Monday of next week, a high of 4, but that is still above normal. 3 is now the seasonal average, so we're about a notch above that in 10 days.
The week ahead looks pretty good, though, once you get past this weekend for kids to do some stuff, right?
Yeah, very nice. Get them outside, get them doing the yard work, Shauna. That's what you got to do.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Your long-range weather